Hello, in this video I will show you how you can open notifications list on OnePlus Nord 5. So as you can see, I'm swiping down my quick settings menu, but I have no notifications on this section. So to display notifications, you have to swipe to the left, and here is the notifications. Also, you can if you are swiping down from the right side, you are getting only quick settings. And if you are swiping down from the left side, you are getting notifications. So also I can recommend you to get this quick settings and notifications in one side. So swipe down from the right side. Now click on these three dots in the top right corner, go to customize quick settings, and here you are able to select classic quick settings mode. So as you can see, I am swiping down from now, and here is my quick settings, and here is my notifications. And now it doesn't matter from which side I'm scrolling down, I'm getting quick settings and also notifications. So I recommend you to enable this classic mode. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.